When it comes to organizing, it's easy to look at all the stuff we have and think, where do I start? Don't stress. Getting organized is a lot less complicated than you might think. We'd like to share a couple organizational habits that can help you in any aspect of your life. And with a little motivation, you can get organized before you know it. There are 4 simple steps: sort, consolidate, organize, and maintain. Start by sorting your things into 3 categories: discard, donate, and keep. When discarding, ask yourself, is it worth taking up space? If anyone would use it, then maybe it's worth donating. If you have a use for it now, then maybe it's something you'd want to keep. Be strong and honestly ask yourself, do I really need this thing? Once you have your keep items established, separate your often used from seldom used, and if there's something you don't need, throw it away. Next, it's time to consolidate. Separate everything from your keep pile into boxes, piles, or containers. This process helps reduce stress by grouping all your things together and makes it easy to find all your items. You'll also want to look into getting shelves, hooks, or other storage items in place. Make sure that whatever bins you buy will fit your storage system and will be the right size for your things. This will help minimize wasted space. See-through bins make it easy to see what's inside. Now it's time to put everything in its place. To get the most out of your space, stick to a couple rules that will make getting and staying organized easy. Start by putting no-brainer things up first. Yard and garden tools can go next to the door to the yard, house cleaning tools can go next to the door to the house, and camping and sports equipment can go next to the vehicle for easy loading and unloading. Second, store the things that you use often where they are easily accessible, and store your less used items where they are out of the way, like in the attic, rear of the shed, or on high shelves. Storage systems that can separate your long-term and short-term storage make it easy to maximize your efficiency and maintain your sanity. Third, storing things in sections can be a huge help. Boxes with tax records, Christmas items, his and hers, and so on can all be grouped together. Remember that when you know where something goes, it's easier to keep clean and organized on a consistent basis. With steps 1 to 3 done, the piles are gone, everything has a place, and the stress is melting away. If you take it day by day, you can stay on top of your storage and live a more carefree and manageable life. And remember, Monkey Bar Storage offers the smartest and strongest garage storage system ever designed. By putting long-term storage on top and frequently used items hanging below, everything is up off the floor and grouped in layers. To learn more, visit our website. Hopefully with these simple steps, taking control of your life and your storage is now more simple than ever.